Place the friability tester on a level laboratory bench. Connect the power supply. Remove the drums from both sides. Insert the weighed samples and reattach the drums. Note, samples must be placed above the curved baffle. Turn on the power switch. Select the language. Set parameters: number of turns, rotation speed. Test completes buzzer prompt. Return to the main menu. Turn off the power. Remove the drums from both sides. Weigh the samples again. Turn off the power.